how to integrate AI in Excel. Hi guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can integrate AI in Excel. So let's get started. So first now what we want to do is we want to open up our Excel sheet. So I have my Microsoft 360 account right here. And what we want to do is we want to open up the Excel and we want to choose any one we want, any Word book. We already have this one open, so let's go ahead and open it. But for now, we'll just open this one. It'll open up in another tab. It's loading up. Now what we want to do is we want to go ahead and click on home, and over here we have the add-ins options right here. So as you can see on this ribbon bar, we have the add-ins. We want to click on add-ins and we can see we already have ChatGPT for Excel, Word at the top. But if it doesn't pop up, you can just simply click on more add-ins and you can just simply search for it right here. So we'll just search for ChatGPT and we already have it, ChatGPT for Excel, for Excel Word, whichever one you want to download. It depends on you. So just simply click on add and click on continue and give it a couple of seconds and boom, it is now added and it'll open up here in another tab and you can start using it right here. So we have AI functions, example documentations, and troubleshooting, and that is it. So that is how you use it. That is how you integrate AI in Excel. So thank you guys for watching and I hope you guys enjoy this video, and until next time, take care and goodbye.